Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Erik.Sakshaug, and today I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial on this brand new 2018 Winnebago Sunstar 32YE. There is a whole lot to love about this coach. Come on inside, let's have a look around. Right, starting in the back of this Winnebago Sunstar 32YE, first thing to note, check out the size of the bed. That's right, this is a king-size bed back here. You've also got 110 power on both sides of the bed, easy convenience for charging cell phones, or if you're in a spot where you got to use a CPAP machine, you've also got plenty of power for that as well. Second big thing in this bedroom, check out the size of this wardrobe, and this goes on both sides as well, as you can see, but you've got dual hanging rods. There's actually more wardrobe space in here overall. You can fit more in here than if you had one of those full cap wardrobes in the back on those big diesel coaches. You can literally get two people's entire wardrobes in here if you really put your mind to it. It's going to be perfect for when you're taking those really long extended road trips with the whole family. This is also a perfect thing to have if you're going full-time in the coach as well. As you'll note, you've also got plenty of dresser space up here as well. Might not be able to see it with the lighting, but you do have 110 power back here as well for charging larger items like laptops and tablets. As we move on out into the rest of the coach, this is the stool. So as you can see, we got our toilet in here, but there's just a lot of space to move around in here. As you can see, I'm not having any issues with space or anything like that. Really well thought out in that regard. As we move on into the shower, as you can see, those of you who've seen my videos, you know I'm about 5'9", I weigh about 200, and as you can see, there's nothing here touching, so there's lots of room in here to move about, no worries. Other little things to notice as we go through. Note the crowned roof. That's kind of a Winnebago feature. And if you look at their plans and how they put these together, you've actually got a lot of aluminum struts going all the way across with their one-piece fiberglass roof. It's going to make it very strong. It's going to let the water run off, but it's also going to give you a lot of extra headroom while you're in here. As we move on out into the kitchen, you do of course have a 4-door refrigerator here. This is a 12 cubic foot gas electric. Probably quite familiar with those, and this does have the ice maker in it, so perfect for happy hour. As we move on out, you do have a fully equipped kitchen here as well. This is going to have your 3-burner gas cooktop, your gas oven, and also your microwave on top. And then just look at the fit and finish on these cabinets. These are extremely well put together. Winnebago builds these themselves. They build about 80% of the coach themselves as well. You've got a lot of workspace up here in your kitchen. You've got a good solid backsplash. It's not just a piece of wallpaper, and you've got your power in the right spot as well. Beautiful big dinette. You've also got your jackknife sofa up here as well, and just look at the amount of space that you really have up here. It's just wonderful. You can get a lot of people in here, entertaining them, watching football games, having great family card nights, stuff like that. These seats are also going to rotate 180 degrees, and that brings us up into our cockpit area. You are of course going to have a workstation here that's going to have USB and 12-volt power. No worries, so you can power up your laptop, your tablet, etc. Update Facebook, make all your friends jealous of the trips you're taking, etc. You are going to have your center console here for the dash. This is going to feature mirroring technology. And mirroring technology basically enables you to plug your phone directly into this. The idea is that your phone's going to update every day. You're not going to have to worry about constantly updating a GPS system with a laptop or fresh SIM cards or whatever the case may be. This is going to have a touch screen on it, so you can control Google Maps or Waze, whatever you happen to be using to get yourself from A to B. This coach is also going to be featuring a Ford F53 chassis that is going to have a 6.8 liter Triton V10 motor. It's going to be tuned to 320 horsepower with about 460 foot-pounds of torque. Little thing that's going to be interesting for those of you that haven't purchased one of these in a while, starting in chassis year 2016, they started making these with 6-speed transmissions rather than 5. That's going to give you a little bit more favorable gear ratio, a little more oomph going up the hill, and oddly enough, a little bit better fuel mileage as well. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all the time I have to talk about the inside of this coach. Let's go have a look at the wonderful exterior. Right, starting on the exterior of this beautiful 2018 Sunstar 32YE, big thing, check out all of the storage that you've got here. These two bays, as you can see, are connected. You've also got 110 auxiliary power there if you guys are going to be bringing a Traeger that needs to be plugged in as well. Other things I'd love to point out really quick, it's some of those things you can't see about Winnebago, but this up here is sheet aluminum. This is steel as well. They're not using the Darko product in here like you see a lot of other companies doing. That's going to make it a lot more durable. It's going to hold up a lot better as well over time. You're not going to have to worry about mold and mildew quite as much. Other thing, those metal pieces, as well as these guys right here, all are black, and that's not because they powder coated, it's not because they painted it. They took the extra step and they made it, they put it through a 7-step electroplate process that actually penetrates the metal. That's going to make that metal rust resistant for a heck of a lot longer than the standard paint and powder coating processes. It's going to give you a much more durable coach. As we move on, again, no shortage of storage space in this coach. They've just literally put it everywhere. Another thing I'd love to point out as far as the quality of Winnebago, if you look up here as well, you'll notice the underside of this slide has aluminum. That's top and bottom, not just the top. Big advantage there is that that's going to make this slide go in and out a lot easier with a lot less friction. Other thing from there, big importance, it's not going to have the tendency to warp as you would with other slides that might have the Darko product underneath. As we move around the back of the coach, you will of course notice the backup camera. This is a nice big window that's going to get lots of extra sunlight into that bedroom. And then just check out that ladder. Those pieces are all mounted in steel, so you won't have to worry about that ladder collapsing over time. Once again, lots of extra in this. This is going to have a 5,500 watt O&N generator. You're probably used to seeing a 4,000 watt for something like this. Not with this bad boy. Wet bay here, you'll notice that you do of course have your 50 amp plug. This does have a surge guard already built into it, and just a real simple organization here. Not a whole bunch of odd levers and stuff. They've really made this very simple and very user friendly for everyone. And then of course up front you are going to have lots more storage as we saw on the other side. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have to talk about this beautiful 2018 Sunstar 32YE. Once again, my name is Erik.Sakshaug, and I'm sure that you know that there's a lot on this coach that I haven't had time to go into great detail on. I would love to have a conversation with you about this coach so you can make a well-informed decision. Please feel free to contact me using the information below on the screen, or if you'd like, please feel free to call me direct on my cell phone. That number is 541-513-3171. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and please remember, we're always here to help.